Good morning, everyone. I hope you are okay. Today, I will start our lecture with symbols in 12 Nights, a comedy by William Shakespeare. First of all, we need to know what are symbols. Symbols are objects, characters, figures, or colors used to represent abstract ideas or concepts. For example, the dove is a symbol of peace. A red rose is a symbol of love and romance. Black is a symbol of death or evil. And in 12 Nights, we have three main symbols. Olivia's Gifts, the darkness of Malvolio's prison, and changes of clothing. For today, I will explain Olivia's Gifts. Olivia's Gifts. So what are Olivia's gifts and to whom? Olivia's gifts are: number one, a ring from Olivia to Cesario, who is in reality the disguised Viola. Number two, a precious pearl from Olivia to Sebastian after mistaking him for Cesario, who is the disguised Viola. See the next diagram. So, Olivia's gifts are: number one, a ring. When Olivia wants to let Cesario know that she loves him, she sends him a ring by way of Malvolio. Number two, a precious pearl. Later, when she, that is to say Olivia, mistakes Sebastian for Cesario, she gives him a precious pearl. What does this mean? This means that Olivia's gifts are both intended to Cesario, who is in reality the disguised Viola. At first, she sent a ring by Malvolio to Cesario. Later on, after mistaking Sebastian, Viola's twin, for Cesario, she gave him a precious pearl. Now, what is the function of Olivia's gifts? Actually, in each case, the jewel serves as a token of her love, a physical symbol of her romantic attachment to a man who is really a woman. However, the gifts are more than symbols. How is that? See the next conclusion. In conclusion, Olivia in Act 3, Scene 4 says, youth is both more of than begged or borrowed. As a matter of fact, Olivia says that at one point, suggesting that the jewels are intended almost as bribes, that she means to buy Cesario's love if she cannot win it. So, jewels are used as bribes, not only as symbols of love. in 12 nights. That was the end of our lecture today. The reference is Spark Notes. Next lecture, I will continue with another symbol in 12 nights. Thank you very much for your time and good luck.